Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete data from the table. Here you can see I have a students table and all the data is here. So all the data you can see here, and now I'm going to delete, let's say, the 104. Okay, so I will say here delete from the table name is students, and I have to use here where statement, because without specify the which column actually you are going to remove, it will actually delete all the values. Okay, all the value in this table. Okay, so you just have to say the primary key, that is student id, is equal to, and we want to actually delete 104, right? Now execute it and let's go. And I want to cut it from here, and I want to select all from students. Execute, and here you can see there is no 104.